Are you looking for the best webinar software in 2021 to host your live videos? In this video, I'm going to show you the top 3 live webinar softwares that you can use in 2021. Let's get started right away. Alright, so the first one that I want to show you guys is called Webinarjam. So Webinarjam is one of the most powerful all-in-one webinar platforms. So if we scroll down, we can take a look at some of the features that come with this specific software. So on here, you can get up to 5,000 attendees depending on which software plan you choose. You can also get up to 6 presenters with that specific plan. Now I'll show you the plans in a bit, and then I'll also show you the features that come with that in a few seconds, alright? But if we scroll down even further, what you can do with this specific software is pretty much broadcast your videos in full HD in 30 FPS, which is high quality video and audio broadcasting. So when you're live streaming, you definitely want to make sure that you're streaming in HD. Can you imagine watching those webinars not in HD? That would be very annoying, right? But with this specific software, you can stream in HD and even 30 FPS, which is pretty decent. In fact, that's actually one of the highest frame rates, and especially for live video, that is awesome. So you can stream and view on all devices, and it's in high definition. Now, if we scroll down, we can find some more features on here. Another great feature that come with Webinarjam is the automated recordings. This would be a replay of your live webinar. So you only need to make your webinar once, and then after that, you can just schedule it and let them replay, and it will still look like it's actually live. Now, if we take a look at the different plans, we've got the basic plan, the professional plan, and the enterprise plan. Now, these come with these different features. So for the basic one, you can get up to 500 attendees, unlimited webinars, includes 2 hosts, and the max duration is 2 hours. For this one, it's 2,000, unlimited, 4 hosts, and then 3 hours. And the best plan, the highest plan, is unlimited, 6 hosts, 4 hours, and 5,000 attendees. What I like is that it also comes with a 30-day risk-free money-back guarantee. The second platform is actually really similar. So this one is called Everwebinar. So with this one, you also get most of the features that I just showed you guys, and you'll see that this kind of looks like the same landing page. I'm pretty sure it might actually be the same company behind the sales page, or even the company itself. So if you go back, you'll see that once again on this one, you've got high definition, 30 FPS, high quality video and audio broadcasting, and you definitely need that. And then you can also do it with all devices, high definition, and then once again, you can do flexible scheduling, meaning that you can do recurring days or specific dates in the calendar. So what you can do is make your webinar and then broadcast it live on specific days, or even the same recurring days. So let's say that you want to stream every single day, you can do it, or maybe every single Monday or every single Wednesday. You can then schedule that and it will automatically replay. So that is great if you only want to make your webinar once and then simply replay it every single time. This one also comes included with a live chat simulator. So you can write or import your own chat history, and the system will roll it live through the event. So let's say that you do the live webinar, the actual live webinar on Monday, you're going to replay that on Tuesday. You can also make sure that all of the comments that were there on Monday show up on Tuesday, which is a great feature. In terms of pricing, this one is very similar. So you've got the basic plan, the better plan, and then the best plan. So this one is going to cost you $199 3 times per year. This one is $499 right away, and then this one is $799 right away, and it comes with these different features. So you can access pre-made landing pages, advanced simulation tools, and you can see that there's not that much difference in the features that show up right here. So all it comes down to is the money you pay. So right there, you'll pay 2 years upfront and you can save that amount. And then right there you can save 98, and this is the normal price. What's included is a live chat simulator, just-in-time webinars, flexible scheduling, clickable offers, page builders, email systems, and all of these other features on here as well. And then if you take a look at the first one, Webinarjam, you'll also see that most of it is pretty similar. The final software that I want to show you is called Gotowebinar, the leader in online events. So if I scroll down, we'll come across all of the different features that come with this one. So with GoToWebinars, it's really easy to host your online webinar. Alright, if you then simply scroll down, they say that it's going to be perfect every time. So when your reputation is on the line, you need a webinar solution you and your audience can rely on. So this also comes with great audio, clear video, and services you can't find anywhere else. So if you scroll down, you'll also come across all of the different features such as automation, meaning that you can simply invite attendees and kick back, and you can do all of this automatically. It comes with integrations, a video library, analytics, and then also engagements. So you can use videos, polls, Q&A, and other interactive features to get people interested and keep them hooked. Now, if I scroll down, you won't see pricing. So what you can do, and by the way, you will see pricing right there, but you can also request a demo. So you can get kind of like a free trial or a demo. I'm not sure if you can call it a free trial, but it's actually similar. So these are the payment plans on here. You'll see that the pricing is slightly higher than the other platforms. So this will cost you 98 euros, probably $100 per month. This one, I'm not sure how much dollars, probably 225, and this one maybe 500, I'm not sure. But you can see the huge difference, and then if you scroll down, you'll see all of the payment plans and the features that come with those specific plans. Honestly, my opinion is that Everwebinar is one of the best ones that's currently available, so I would highly go with this one, but of course, I'll leave it up to you guys. There are free trials available, there are request demos available, so I'll leave that up to you guys. But yeah, I hope this video helps you out. If it did, then make sure you go ahead and leave a like, and then I'll see you next time.